Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. Friday. Today I will be giving you my week in review. This has been a week of business as unusual. So I have an associate for 8 years and he handles litigation in the office. Divorce, guardianship, probate litigation. And last week he filed an emergency order to show cause, and it was heard on Friday by an emergency judge, and the emergency judge adjourned the case until Monday. Over the weekend, Governor Cuomo had filed or signed an executive order effectively putting the city in a shelter-in-place environment. The court only started handling emergency applications, and all non-essential businesses had to really stop working. Now, what was considered an emergency on Friday when the application was made, on Monday, the emergency judge, who was not present in the courtroom, but was he heard the case over Skype, he determined that it wasn't an emergency any longer. So they've really narrowed what will be heard during this crisis period. New York has been officially declared a disaster, and really the only cases that will be heard are new arrests, cases involving juvenile delinquency, cases involving neglect of a parent against a child, cases involving domestic violence, and very narrowly defined areas of guardianship. Many cases will be postponed or adjourned or not even entertained until the court system can get up and running. So when my associate went to court on Monday, he got to the Supreme Court and the doors were closed. So he had to, with the client, go to the civil court because the Supreme Court, the surrogates court, and civil court are all operating on an emergency basis, and they're all being housed presently in the civil court. One of the reasons they may have closed the Supreme Court is that at least 2 Supreme Court judges tested positive for COVID-19. So that was Monday. My office has been operating in a remote fashion. The secretaries, my associate, myself, all of us have been working from home. And there's certainly quite a lot of things that we can do from home. We have access to the server and a software program and operating software, case management software, but we're restricted in, at this present time, seeing clients. We did make an application to the Empire State Development Corp to be deemed an essential business. So I'm waiting on that application to be granted. And that's based on the fact that we do handle cases for victims of domestic violence, and I handle end-of-life areas of wills and probate and the emergency guardianships. So if you have a non-emergency case, please give me a call. If you have a case that's more urgent or pressing, let's speak about it. There might be a way to resolve it without going to court. So if you would like to speak with me, please go to callfrankbruno.com. Thank you.